Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, it's Yuy TV again. As I always say, matik na kan, karning butakal na naman. But this is not just butakal, it's what you call semi-dulag. Butakal or dulag, I don't care, it's both malasa. We also have here gulay na puro pagulong, or in English, that's what you call rolling. We are going to put also balaw. Of course, bawang, sibuyas, and magic sarap ako for our Ricardo. Of course, don't forget the coconut milk, or as we say here in Bicol, that's natok. First, we're going to put asin to our pork butakal because we're going to pakalakaga that until it's buruk-budok. We also going to put down kasitas as a cure for bone to our pork butakal. As we wait for our pork butakal to buruk-budok, we're going to prepare now all the ingredients for our gulay na rolling. We also separate small size of our pork butakal because we're going to use that as a bangot for our gulay na rolling, malasa. As you can see, our pork butakal now is nagbuburuk-budok. We are going to pritos that because we're cooking lechon kawali. Of course, we're not going to forget to cook our very expensive rice that has many tupasi and batteries. Buray niya po niya. And for our gulay na rolling, we're going to put many chili or ladang demonyo to make it more malasa. And now we're going to make us all the ingredients of our natok until it liputok before we put the gulay na rolling. Oh, see, just like that. Our gulay na rolling is already done. If you can smell that, it's very fuerte. And now we're going to separate our pinaburuk-budukang pork butakal because we're going to pritos that now. We are now going to cook this in a kasirola. So this is not lechon kawali. It's called lechon kasirola because we cook this in the kasirola, not in the kawali. As we wait for our mantika to become hot like me, we are going to pidaso the pinaburuk-budukang pork butakal so that when it's done, there's no lamangan. And now we're going to put that in the mantika. Do you hear the kirikiti? Be careful on cooking this because it's nangasta. Look at that. Putok. Nangasta mga yoy. Oh, look at that. Very beautiful, very malasa. As you can see, I already salduk my rice, my gulay na rolling and one piece of the lechon kasirola. Only one piece, guys, because you know, dipisil na. We are now going to muak our very delicious and very malasa gulay na rolling and of course the lechon kasirola. Let's change menu because it's very dark in here. Let's change menu. Oh, see? It's much better here. Let's muak again. Again, we're going to muak this in a time-lapse video to make it faster. I don't want this video to be long. I want it to be short. Like in basketball, we also have what you call ribansa in eating. So I'm going to Eros rice again because it's bitin. Again, if you're still watching this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and follow Yuy TV. I love you so much. Peace out.
What's up mga yoy? Ipinakikilala ko sa inyo ang larong Una Game. Ang Una Game is isang play-to-earn mobile game na pwede kang kumita habang naglalaro lang. Mag-register lang, kumpletuhin lang lahat ng details na nakikita sa screen at i-confirm. After mo ma-confirm mga yoy, rekta ka na sa game. Marami kang pwedeng pagpiliin na laro dito mga yoy sa Una Game. Isa na nga dyan mga yoy ang larong Dragon Tiger. Ang larong Dragon Tiger mga yoy ay isang laro na kung saan tataya ka lang kung sa dragon ba o sa tiger. Magpapataasan lang kayo ng baraha mga yoy at kung sino yung mas mataas na baraha, syempre siya yung panalo. Diba? Ganun lang siya kadali mga yoy. Naglalaro ka lang pero kumikita ka pa. Sa Una Game lang yan mga yoy. At kung gusto nyo na mag-withdraw, i-click nyo lang mga yoy yung withdraw dyan sa baba. I-bind nyo mga yoy yung Gcash details nyo at ilagay nyo yung withdraw amount. Rekta Gcash nyo na yan mga yoy. Ganun lang siya kadali. Ano pa hinihintay nyo mga yoy? I-download nyo na ang Una Game. Nasa comment section ng video na to yung link kung saan pwede mo siyang i-download. Matik na yan. Una ka sa Una Game.